Hello everyone, welcome to Handpost. Hello everyone, in this video we are going through the list of major events that have happened in the year 2001. 2001 is the first year of the third millennium and the 21st century. It is designated as the International Year of Volunteers. Starting from January 9, the second unmanned Chinese aircraft Shenzhou 2 is launched. January 13, an earthquake having magnitude 7.6 hits El Salvador, killing more than 800 people. January 15, the free content encyclopedia called the Wikipedia is launched by Jimmy Wales and Larry Sanger. January 16, Congolese President Laurent-Désiré Kabila was assassinated in his office inside his official residence. January 20, George W. Bush is sworn in as the 43rd President of the United States. January 26, an earthquake with a magnitude of 6.9 on the Richter scale hits the Indian state of Gujarat, killing more than 20,000 and injuring more than 150,000 people. February 9, the American submarine USS Greenville accidentally strikes and sinks the Japanese training vessel Ehime Maru, resulting in 9 deaths including students and teachers and crew members. February 12, the near-Earth asteroid Rendezvous Shoemaker, a robotic space probe, touches down on the asteroid 433 Eros to become the first spacecraft to land on an asteroid. March 4, the Hinds-Ribeiro Bridge collapsed into the Douro River, killing 59 people in Portugal. March 23, the deorbit of the Russian space station Mir is carried out with it falling into the South Pacific Ocean. April 1, Netherlands becomes the first country in the world to make same-sex marriage legal. April 2, Slobodan Milosevic, the former president of the Federal Republic of Yugoslavia, surrenders to the police special forces to be tried on the charges of war crimes. April 28, Soyuz TM-32 lifts off from Baikonur Cosmodrome, carrying the first space tourist Dennis Tito. May 3rd, United States loses its seat on the United Nations Human Rights Commission for the first time since the commission was formed in 1947. May 24, Sherpa Temba Cheri becomes the youngest person to reach the summit of Mount Everest at the age of 15. May 25, Eric Weihenmayer becomes the first blind person to reach the summit of the Mount Everest. June 1, Crown Prince Dipendra of Nepal kills his parents, 2 siblings and 5 other family members of the royal family with an assault rifle and then shoots himself during a dinner at the Narayanhidi Palace, Kathmandu. June 1, a Hamas suicide bomber kills 21 people, mostly teenagers, in a disco in Tel Aviv, Israel. June 4, Gyanendra, the last king of Nepal, ascends the throne of Nepal after Nepalese royal massacre. June 19, a missile hits football stadium in northern Iraq, killing 23 and wounding 11. According to the US officials, it was an Iraqi missile that malfunctioned. July 4, Vladivostok Air Flight 352 crashes on approach to landing in Russia, killing 145 people. July 16, China and Russia signs the 2001 Sino-Russian Treaty of Friendship. August 9, a restaurant in Jerusalem, Israel is attacked by a Palestinian terrorist, killing 50 and injuring 130 people. August 31, the World Conference Against Racism begins in Durban, South Africa. September 1, Nakai, the first captive orca to be born as a result of artificial insemination, is born in SeaWorld, San Diego. September 9, a suicide bomber kills Ahmad Shah Massoud, the military commander of the Afghan Northern Alliance. September 11, approximately 2,977 people are killed in the September 11 attack. American Airlines Flight 11 and the United Airlines Flight 175 are hijacked and crashed into the twin towers of the World Trade Center. American Airlines Flight 77 is hijacked and crashed into the Pentagon, and the United Airlines Flight 93 is hijacked but crashed into the grassland in Shanksville as a result of the passengers fighting to regain control of the flight. September 20. In an addressing to the joint session of Congress and the American people, United States President George W. Bush declares war on terror. October 1. Militants attacked the state legislature building in Srinagar, Kashmir, India, killing 38 people. October 4. Siberia Airlines Flight 1812 was shot down over the Black Sea by the Ukrainian Air Force, which killed all the 78 people on board. October 7. In response to the September 11 attacks, United States invades Afghanistan with participation from other nations, officially beginning the war on terror. October 8. A twin-engine Cessna and Scandinavian Airlines jetliner collide in heavy fog during takeoff from Milan, Italy, killing 118 people. October 17. Israeli Tourism Minister Rehavam Sivi becomes the first Israeli minister to be assassinated in a terrorist attack. October 25. Citing the connotations with the Rwandan genocide, government of Rwanda adopts a new national flag. November 11. Two French journalists and their German colleague were killed in Afghanistan during a terrorist attack on the convoy they were traveling in. November 12. American Airlines Flight 587 crashes minutes after takeoff from John F. Kennedy International Airport, killing 260 people on board. November 13. In the first such act since World War II, US President George W. Bush signs an executive order allowing military tribunals against any foreigners suspected of having connections to terrorist acts or planned any acts against the United States. November 27. A hydrogen atmosphere is discovered on the extrasolar planet Osiris by the Hubble Space Telescope. December 11. The People's Republic of China joins the World Trade Organization. December 13. Indian Parliament is attacked by the terrorist, in which 9 people and 5 terrorists were killed. If you guys like this video, please like, comment and share this. Thanks for watching. We will see you again in another video.